In this video, we will show you the commissioning process for the SolarEdge Home Backup Interface solution when installing it in a partial home backup configuration. The solution in this video applies to a brand new installation using a SolarEdge Home Network Meter. Please remember that the inverter and the battery must be installed and commissioned before proceeding. Connect the buoy to the inverter and make the electrical connections to the buoy and inverter as described in the connection manuals and videos. You can find them in the description of this video. Please make sure all system components are switched on. Now set the inverter's P10 switch to 1. If the inverter is either not fully commissioned with the battery, or updated to the latest firmware version, scan the inverter's QR code and follow the on-screen instructions. Otherwise, proceed to the next step. To power on the buoy, under the lower left corner of the unit, set the toggle switch to 1. In Set App, tap Device Manager. When the buoy is discovered, tap its checkbox. Then tap Add Selected. When all devices in the system are updated, tap Continue. Now it is time to add the wireless meter. The first step is to remove the buoy meter. Tap Meter 1. Now, select Remove Meter. Now you can add the inline meter. You can find a link to the procedure of adding an inline meter in the description of this video. Please make sure the inline meter is installed as Export-Import Meter with Modbus ID number 2. After adding the inline meter, go back to the commissioning screen and tap Power Control. Tap Energy Manager. Tap Energy Control. Now select your preferred energy control mode. Please note that if you select Backup Only, all battery energy will be reserved for backup event. When done, tap the back arrow. Now tap Backup Configuration. Make sure backup is enabled. In the Backup Reserved tab, you can set the amount of battery energy reserved for backup. The percentage selected indicates the percentage of the battery energy to always be reserved for backup events. Configure your preferred backup reserve. For example, setting Backup Reserved to 40% means that 40% of the battery energy is reserved for backup and the rest is available for self-consumption. In case you are commissioning multiple inverters with batteries, please note that you have to configure the backup reserve for each inverter separately. When finished, tap Done. Congratulations! The SolarEdge Home Backup System is ready for use. For more information, visit Edge Academy and our YouTube channel.